Hello everyone and welcome to our Friday celebration assembly, and boy have we got lots to celebrate this week. Well done first of all to everyone who's working at home and doing a fabulous job at accessing their lessons. So in nursery, reception and year one, all of your lessons are pre-recorded and you're accessing your lessons, doing your work and sending your photographs in on Class Dojo, and I've been amazed with some of the work that's been sent in. I'm particularly impressed with some of the videos that we've had from nursery and reception. Actually, we've had some brilliant learning taking place at home. So well done to our early years team and to year one. You've done a brilliant job and I love to see all the work on your portfolios on Class Dojo. So keep up the great work. Secondly, a big well done to our years 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 who are working at home as well. You've been accessing your live lessons. I've been dropping in on your live lessons, joining in with some of your lessons and been really impressed at how hard you're all working. So a big well done to all of you as well. And then we have got a small sample of children who are in school and still carrying out their learning within school, who have been really sensible and followed all the rules and routines to make sure it's safe in school. So a fantastic first 3 weeks back for us at Lee Forest, and I'm really impressed with you all. So like I say, we've got lots to celebrate. Our attendance for online last week was a fabulous 98% overall. So it always gives us bits for improvement, but actually the attendance was better than what normally it is in school, because you're accessing, those children staying at home are accessing your learning at home. And that's a big thanks to all of the devices that have been sent out and you're accessing using your Chromebooks or your iPads, getting onto the lessons that we're setting. So a big well done. If you are working from home, just one little reminder, can you please, first thing in the morning, either get your parents or yourself to sign in on our online register. We send the link out every day. So make sure the register is signed. All you have to do is put your name and your class, and then we know that you're at home and you're learning. So that's just one little request that I'd like to make sure that you all do, please. And then also at the end of each day, there is a little check-in, which is a well-being check-in, just to see how you're feeling. So you can either be feeling great, okay, or not very well. And again, that just helps us know at school how you're feeling and if we need to check up on you. Because if you're not signing in the register, or you're not feeling well, or we haven't seen you on your lessons, then we do have to make a phone call. So a member of our staff will be making phone calls. So just before we go over and find out who our stars of the week are this week, I would like to say a massive well done to all of the staff. So the teachers, teaching assistants, office staff, kitchen team. Mr. Croxon has done a fabulous job of getting all the devices out and giving all the technical support. So everyone has continued working to make sure we can still have a remarkable education and still find our remarkable. So as we don't know when we'll be coming back into school and things will be back to normal. So we need to carry on working as hard as we can online and keep up the fantastic learning. So big well done to me, big thumbs up, keep up the hard work. And now we're going to go over to the teachers to see, and I bet this has been a really difficult job, who our stars of the week are.
This week, I have chosen Arham as my child of the week. Arham, I've been so impressed with the work that you've been doing at home with Mummy. You've been completing all the different activities that we've been setting on Class Dojo, and then you've been going away and following up on the comments that we're asking you to do afterwards. Well done, keep it up.
Hello everybody. This week in nursery it's been a bit of a strange week with lots of changes going on. So I wanted to say a huge thank you to all of the parents in nursery, and I would like to give everybody in nursery child of the week this week. You have all been remarkable. Keep up the good work, keep smiling, keep safe, and we'll see you at school very soon. Take care.
My child of the week is Shay. Shay, me and Miss Freeman have been so impressed with your online learning, and we have to say a really big thank you to Mum and Dad, because we know you've played a really big part in this. Shay, you do every single piece of online learning that we've set. Your work is incredible and the progress that you've made is fantastic. So we wanted to say well done, keep it up, and we're really proud of you.
Akmal, you are the star of the week in the Hub because you have worked so hard, not just with your online lessons, but in the Learning Village as well. A huge congratulations because you have just completed the 78 units of survival language in the village. An amazing feat. Well done you. And once a golden virtual toy becomes available, it's yours. See you soon and keep up the hard work. Bye.
Hello everybody. My child of the week this week has been a really tricky one because we've had so many phenomenal learners at home and in school. But I've had a real good think and I have chosen Kane Whitehouse. Kane, you have been remarkable and incredible with your learning. It's not always been easy and I know that your devices haven't always worked, but you've been on our lesson, you've been raising your hands. It's delicious how wonderful and happy and just bright you've made our days. Thank you so much, Kane. Keep up the good work.
My child of the week this week was so difficult to choose. So many children have been impressing me this week. Not only this week, since we started our home learning, lots of children have come on every single day onto the live lessons and completed all the lessons. So it was a really hard choice. But in the end, I decided that Samia, you have to be my child of the week. You're one of the first on the lessons every single day. You send me so many pictures of the work that you're doing at home, which is fantastic. And Miss Boylan told me how enthusiastic you are. When she completed your check-in call this week, Mum told her that you're waking her up every single morning because you're so excited to start your work at home. I know you make Mum get up and print all your worksheets off so you're ready for the live lessons. So Samia, you've really been impressing me. Keep up the fantastic work.
Hello Forest H. My child of the week this week is Tara. I chose Tara because I've been impressed with all of her work that she's submitted to me on the Google Classroom. And Tara always responds to the feedback that I and other teachers have sent to her. In addition to this, Tara sends me videos and photos every day of all of her lessons to show me everything that she's taking part in. Keep up the great work, Tara. Bye.
Hi everyone, I found it really difficult to choose one child of the week this week as I've got so many of you working incredibly hard at home and sending in great examples of your work, and all of the children coming into school are working so hard as well. So my first child of the week is for Leah, who engages every day. She sends me in videos and examples of her work every day, and she's done an amazing solar system, which I'm going to put and share and show everybody on Class Dojo. And my child in school, I'm going to choose Gatika. Again, she comes in, she tries her best every single day, always comes in with a smile and gives 100%. Well done everyone, keep it up.
Hi everybody, I hope you're all okay. This week I've had a really tough decision to choose just one child as my child of the week this week, but I've chosen Lucas. I've chosen you, Lucas, because you have been absolutely amazing with your virtual learning this week. You've joined the live lessons every single day and you've been putting up your hand and giving answers and giving them a go, even if you're not sure. I've been really impressed with your live learning and also the extra things you've been doing at home, like improving your handwriting, and I was amazed at the difference that I saw. So well done, Lucas, keep up the remarkable work.
My star of the week is Charlie. Since you've been working from home, you have been logging on to every single live lesson, you've been answering questions, you've been taking part, really pushing your learning. You have been persevering even when you had internet troubles at home. You still carried on and you tried to listen to what I was saying. You know, you couldn't see what was on the screen. Myself and Mrs. Hudson are so proud of you and we love seeing all the work that's been sent in. Well done, Charlie.
Good morning morning. My child of the week this week is Junior, and I've chosen Junior because I've just been so impressed with the quality of the work that he's been sending in, whether it's on Google Docs or if he's just typing in the chat and the live lessons. Everything that he's sent in to me has been really top quality, and I've been really, really impressed. So well done, Junior, and thank you for putting in such a big effort.
Hi everyone, my fabulous child of the week this week is Summer. Once again, lockdown learning does not stop her. She is a phenomenal, remarkable virtual learner. She signs into every lesson on time, gives every lesson her best effort, completes all her work that has been set and goes above and beyond. Her presentation remains to be outstanding as it is inside the classroom. And when she struggles, she's been asking for help and therefore receiving interventions to give her that extra boost. So well done for taking your learning so seriously and for constantly dedicating yourself to your studies.
Hi everyone, my star of the week this week is Samir, and I've chosen Samir for his fantastic home learning. He always hands in every piece of work to a really good standard. He takes note of any feedback that I've given him, he corrects his work and then resends it back. So keep it up, Samir, I'm so proud of you, you are doing so well.
Hi everyone, my child of the week this week is Adele Hilton, and that's because of the amazing engagement at home. Every piece of work that we've set, either myself, Mrs. Wood or Mrs. Newbold on the Google Classroom or Class Dojo, she sent it back straight away to the best of her ability, and every time it's been absolutely fantastic. So keep it up, Adele, well done.
My child of the week is Mariam. Mariam, I've chosen you this week because you are going above and beyond at home. You are pushing your limits in all of the lessons. I'm just really proud. Keep it up.
This week, Mrs. Terry and I have decided to pick 2 remarkable children of the week. At home, we have picked Kyla. The reason we have picked Kyla is because she has worked extremely hard and attended every single live lesson. The quality of her work has been absolutely outstanding, which shows that she's been really pushing her limits. At school, we have decided to pick Harley J. The reason we've picked Harley J is because he's been really pushing his limits and working incredibly hard at school. Also, Mrs. Terry is very impressed with how big-hearted he has been to all the members of staff and all the children in school.
Good morning, everyone. My 2 children of the week, I've decided to choose 2 children of the week, a home learner of the week and a child in school for my child of the week. So my home learner of the week is Lexi, and I've chosen Lexi because she submits every piece of work that I set her, and it is of the same impeccable, remarkable standard that it would be if she was in the classroom. And I'm really proud of the fact that she's still working that hard and so conscientiously at home. And my second child, my in-school child, is Harley. Harley has been in school every single day since we came back. She greets me every morning with a smile, and she just has such a happy disposition. She's so big-hearted, kind and friendly, and is working so hard while she's in school that I just wanted her to know that I'm really proud of her too. So well done, girls.
Hi everyone, my child of the week this week goes to Hattie. Hattie, I'm really impressed with all of the work you've been doing at home. Keep it up, well done.
I'm not scared to be seen. I make no apologies. This is me. gonna send the blood, gonna drown them out. This is brave, this is bruised, this is who I'm meant to be, this is me. I am not a stranger to